Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It is April 6th. I hope everyone had a wonderful Easter. Hope everybody got some waves last week. It was kind of fun. Looking forward into this week. Let's jump right into the forecast. Right now out on Folly, we've got 2.5 feet at 8 seconds of east-southeasterly swell on tap. Northeast winds are howling, 15 to 30 miles an hour, and it looks like they're going to stay that way for the next couple of days. So there's a little wave on offer, just not great conditions for your Monday. By tomorrow, we're up to 5.5 feet at 7 seconds of easterly swell, and we're going to have 1.5 feet at 8 seconds of southeasterly swell in the water. Northeast winds are still going to hold strong, though, 15 to 25 miles an hour. So a little bit more swell tomorrow. Still same story with the conditions and the wind. By Wednesday, we have a big jump up in swell size. 9 feet at 10 seconds out of the east. Now, keep in mind, this is easterly swell. So the numbers for swell that I'm going to throw at you for the next couple of days following Wednesday may not exactly translate to wave size on the beaches. So just keep expectations tempered as to how big it's actually going to get, say, Wednesday through Friday. Winds are still going to be pretty brutal on Wednesday, 15 to 25 miles an hour out of the northeast. Pretty much the same story for Thursday. Swell size is up a little bit more. 8.5 feet at 10 seconds, almost directly out of the east, which is not perfect for us, but it should offer up some kind of a wave, even if conditions aren't great. Same story on Friday. 7 feet at 11 seconds of easterly swell on tap. We are going to start to see winds improve a little bit by Friday, only 10 to 20 miles an hour out of the northeast. By Saturday, we're down in swell size, 2.5 feet at 11 seconds out of the east-southeast, but winds look way more manageable, only 5 to 15 miles an hour out of the northeast. So there should be a decent wave on offer and decent conditions Saturday. Sunday, 2.5 feet at 10 seconds of east-southeasterly swell on tap, and then winds are going to switch to be more out of the east rather than the northeast, so more directly on shore, but lighter, only 5 to 10 miles an hour. So keep an eye on conditions for this week. That will be the tale of how this week turns out. We'll definitely have some swell on tap. Hopefully local winds cooperate at some points and we get some fun windows of waves. Time will tell. Everyone have a wonderful week. Yee!